my name is Sandeep Bhalotia. I am third year student from Jindal Global Law School, and I am here to strongly support the motion of today's debate by arguing that the patents act as a bad incentive for the pharmaceutical companies. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hardeep from Amity Law School, Delhi. I've been traditionally very interested in patents, and that's why I'm here for this debate. I'm against the motion that patents are in fact the best way for fostering drug innovation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sajal Sharma. I'm a third year student from Campus Law Center, Faculty of Law, New Delhi. And here I'm speaking for the motion, which is patents are not the best way for drug development.
A very good evening, everyone. I am Rajat Bhavaniwal, fourth year law student from Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia, and today I speak against the motion.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mohammad Shams Khan from Lloyd Law College, and I am speaking for the motion that is inability of the current patent system to foster drug discovery, and instead of that, an independent and non-profit agency should be established. I'm very passionate about reading books and literature, and a very great lover of music. I also like to watch different genres of movies, and is a great love for the nature. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Ujjaini Chatterjee from Symbiosis Law School, Noida, and I'm here to oppose the motion today. And my interests lie in reading, and I'm extremely passionate about writing and speaking. And I have a tendency to question everything, like anything that comes my way, and I'm skeptic about every situation and everything that's around. So that's about me, and yes, that's why I'm here to debate. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? My name is Aditya Huda, and I am from 4th year BA LLB, Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia. And today I will be presenting against the motion. That is, I will be reiterating that patents in fact are the best way to foster drug discovery and drive innovation. Also, I'd like to inform you that we will be starting this event in a short while. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sara Haq. I'm a student of first year LLB at Law Central 1, Faculty of Law, Delhi University, and I would be presenting for the motion. That is, patents are not the best way to foster drug discovery. Thank you.
Thank you for keeping patience. I request the audience to please settle down and keep your mobile phones on silent if possible. Thank you very much.
Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on this INBA Novartis debate, Delhi NCR 2015. INBA, Indian National Bar Association, is the fastest growing bar association of India legal ecosystem, which includes advocates, attorneys, solicitors, arbitrators, international lawyers, and students. We have 26 different sections and representations in more than 14 countries and more than 8,000 members globally. Section for Law Student, INBA, represents the law student and strives towards safeguarding their rights.
Novartis is one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in the world. Novartis has been in India for over 100 years now. It was formed by the merger of Ciba and Sandoz. While Novartis is the leader in the world in innovative drugs, it is also the second largest generic medicine producer in the world. We'd like to introduce the jury for today's debate. Firstly, Shri KTS Tulsi Sir, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha.
Shri P.K. Malhotra Sir, Secretary, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India.
Dr. Kardam Sir, Deputy Controller of Patents and Design.
Dr. Alka Chawla, Ma'am, Professor, Campus Law Center, DU.
Tabrez Ahmed Sir, Secretary General of Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India.
And our special guest for the occasion, Miss Dana Karsh, Deputy Chief of Israel Embassy in India, and Mr. Jekyll Karsh, Attorney from Israel. Also, Mr. Charles Jeffrey Sir, Senior Counsel Patent in Group Litigation and Intellectual Property Team, Novartis.
Now we'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sandeep Kumar Sir, Head Corporate and Public Affairs, Novartis, India. He has been at this position for over 4 years now. He has had experience in other industries as well, such as tobacco and alcohol, and now obviously pharmaceutical industry. He has also had an experience of 20 odd years in the field of advertising. So we'd like to call Mr. Sandeep Sir.
Good evening, everybody, distinguished members of the jury, boys and girls. I'm so happy that we have standing room only. I know for some of you who are standing, it may not be a very happy situation, but let me assure you, I'll also be standing throughout the debate, so I know exactly how it will feel. I'm here actually to introduce the finalists to you and to tell you a little bit about the rules of the debate. This is the second edition of this debate. I don't know how many of you attended the one we had last year. If you did, you'd know the rules. They're exactly the same. We draw upon these students who the 8 finalists you'll see today are selected from based on written abstracts that are received from all the law colleges in and around Delhi. We had a similar debate a couple of weeks ago in Bombay. And based on the written extracts, we select these 8 finalists who you see before you. 4 of these finalists will speak for the motion being patents are not the best way to foster drug discovery, a very topical subject which you can't open a newspaper today without reading about. And 4 students will speak against the motion. Now, at the end of the debate, we will be giving a 50,000 rupee prize to the best speaker for the motion, and there would be a 50,000 rupee prize for the best speaker against the motion. So the idea of this house is not to say whether this motion is right or wrong. The idea of this house really is to debate this subject because we believe, as Novartis, that it is only through such debate and dialogue that a better understanding, both in terms of people who need, speak for the patents or against the patents, can be fostered in this way. So now, without much ado, I'm going to invite these 8 finalists on stage so that you can see them before they begin their battle. Firstly, speaking for the motion, Mohammad Sham Khan. Speaking for the motion, Sajal Sharma. The third speaker for the motion, Sandeep Bhalotia. And lastly, the 4th speaker for the motion is Sarah Huck. Now the 4 speakers against the motion, Aditya Huda. Incidentally, Aditya won this debate last year. Last year the topic was patents harm a patient's health. The second speaker against the motion is Hardeep Singh Chawla. Rajat Bhavaniwal. Ujjaini Chatterjee. Ujjaini was also one of the finalists last year. She was not, she didn't win it. I hope you have better luck this time, Ujjaini. Please, can you move that side a little, all of you? So, the 4 speakers for the motion, please stand there. 4 speakers for the against, please stand here. Now, what we're going to have is the people who are going to speak against the motion are going to speak from this lectern. And the people speaking, for the motion, right? Will speak from that lectern. We're going to now draw pairs. So at any given point in time, there will be 2 speakers on stage. One speaker will speak first. The person speaking for the motion will speak first. They will speak for 6 minutes. And then the other speaker will be allowed to ask them one question. And they have to answer that question within 1 minute. So they will get 6 minutes of speaking time. And then the other person can answer one interjection for which they have to answer in 1 minute. The timekeeping will be very strict. So at 5 minutes, you will be given a warning that 1 minute remains. And at 6 minutes, you will have to stop even if you are in mid-sentence. So that's essentially what it is. And you can ask only one question, and it has to be a question. Thereafter, you cannot get into a cross. You can't get into a cross cross questioning. It has to be one single question. We're going to pair you people off randomly, and the sequence in which you will appear would also accordingly be random. So I'm going to just... So who's got number 1 there? For the motion, number 1 and number 1. So this will be the first pair. You will be the first pair. Keep standing on stage. Who's got number 2? Who's got number 2? Okay. So why don't you go off stage? You'll come when your turn comes. Who's got number 3? Yeah. Thank you. And yeah. All right. Good. So all the best, and may the best man or woman win.